Oi, e kuli o rea o ngai sau ka'afa street lunga la wala.
Gosh, just relax, Dad. I'm gonna be home after.
Whakali mai la oi la wa le lo whai akun me ai whai mai relax. Konga mai!
Right, Dad. I'm sorry, Dad. Dad.
Saka swine! Karira.
Dad, I'm coming.
Ke fiu ke ka mo ke mawanga.
Dad, look, there's police over there.
O mai, whapeo kengi leo leo. Karinga le pa oso ku same. Lau kau
How
au.
come you're not at work and you got no off on, Dad?
Peshe me wo eshe wo oi male avele le fale lo samo o te i tanata o tutu male au show il Kardashians fa pe fuli tama i ile ya Nicki Manase mo sunga ya Barack O'Brien twi fia tanata falling on my later ai kai shaman me
Yeah, man.
Where we going?
Oh, Mum, is it alright if I can go to the mall, James?
Oh, hi, James.
Hi, Michelle.
Ai, ngai ki ronga lea ngai whasa ngai alu se mea lo ponga ua ai whai au kongoa. Ia, whai laro konga. Alu ngai ia, ai koe sau. Wai laro nguki de mere rong kuero.
Yep, okay.
James, have a good time.
So, she said we can go. Right, you're gonna get a hiding aid. Yeah, I am. I want to sleep at my uncle's. I'll sleep, that's not my fault.
I'm very used to this camera because I'm doing part-time modeling. I got the swag. I think I got the whole package done.
Kefe, wakasi po alu moi.
Nei, ini kai angus.
boss man
Ile mafkeli.
it's pretty heavy dad
Ja. Ja, kom ik. Ja, present it.
Yo.
Cháu ơi, cool ya. Cool em
that's gonna break langai
Ja, wat boleh lawan luar nga. Ja, pokok ya.
okay
Ja, man, au fak lu chu. Man.
tengo faku tu
Ja, pipilo mai lo lo kai mai ni.
freaking hell
You know, me, man, I don't cry, you know. This, it's very emotional, but, you know, that thing there. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. Yeah, okay.
Come on, Arnold, talk with him.
What I'm going to show you here today is I'm going to put my head inside the crocodile. In order to do this, you got to be calm and collective. And then when you're going to say, "Oi, silly, polo ma oi so koi ki kia wa pea eat me the crocodile."
Ko ki ngā ringo ko au whea ko e o furu ipu ai ko kere whalong. Ar mera re mau. A whai e ko kere e roa whangoa ko whai ai. A mai laru, a mai riu. Is whai mea. Mau ar pensi kaya.
Malu rags, huh?
I'm very used to this camera because I'm doing part-time modeling. I got the swag. I think I got the whole package.
Hi, it's Stella Smith here, and this is my world.
Well, my name is Stella Smith with an F. I'm a part-time model and also a musician. I'm a singer and I'm also a great actress. she was born, I thought she was 7 years old. She's a real big baby. You know, she could pretty much walk and she's got hair on her face.
In the Samoan family, we don't give a compliments. We give a jokes. But you know the jokes? It hurts.
Then my father is truly dead.
Kefe. O kasi po al moe.
Tequila oily, man. You know, tequila.